Hello, welcome to my channel. This time we're going to discuss about logarithms, algebra. So what are those logarithm? So logarithm is just the inverse function to exponentiation. So that's the description. That means the logarithm of a given number x is the exponent to which another fixed number, the base b, must be raised to produce that number x. So with this description, we can derive the just properties of logarithm. So that means if you have logarithm of base v, and then I have here v raised to the power of x, this is just equals to x. So that's the meaning of this description. And then we have here properties of logarithm, that if you have this one, if you have log of, let me say, v, and then m is to the power of v, this is just equal to uh, p log of this m to the m. And then if we have log of v, log this v m plus log of v n, and then this is just equal to log of v m times n. And then if I have log of v m minus log of v n, this is just equal to log of v m over n. So just remember the properties. And then we have here as solving problems. And then we have, for number one, log base of 5, 4 minus w minus 2 log base of 5, w minus 1. And then for number 2, we have log base of 4x is equals to log base of 3, and then 9. And then for number 3, we have 3 raised to the power of 1 half x plus 2 is equals to 23.43. Then for number 4, we have log of 2, close parenthesis, 4 to the exponent of 2x is equals to log of 3, 27 raised to x minus 1. Then we have 2 log of x minus y minus 1 is equals to log 10x squared y. And then for now, we're going to solve for the first problem. And then for after that, we're going to solve the remaining problems. Okay, for number one, log base of 5, 4 minus w minus 2 log base of 5, w is equals to 1. So this is our solution. And then for this problem, we're going to have or we're going to copy this first variable, log of 5, and then I have here 4 minus w minus for this uh, second variable, I use this properties number one. If I have log v m to the v is just equals to v log of v m. So this could be written by log of 5 w squared is equals to 1. So I'll just transpose this exponent, the base 2 to the exponent of w. So therefore, after this one, I use again the properties number 3. So this will be log of 5 is 4 minus w over w squared is equals to 1. And again, this will be our solution. So we're done. And then and, and then for this right side, we aim that it must be the same with the base of 5. So we all know that if we have log of 5, log of this 5 to 5 is just equals to 1. So therefore, I can rewrite this as log of 5, 4 minus w over w squared is just equals to log of 5 and then 5. So, and then there's no conflict of this part because log of this 5 to 5 is just equals to 1. So for now, I have here common base of 5. So therefore, cancellation takes place. So therefore, I can cancel this out. And then this log of 5. So the remaining equation will be this one. 4 minus w over w squared is equals to 5. And then I need to we need to cross multiply. We have 4 minus w is equals to 5w squared, or uh, we can rewrite this as 5w squared plus w, and then minus 4 is equals to 0, and then factor out. We have what? We have 5w, and then this would be w, and then this is minus 4, and then this is plus 1 is equals to 0. So we have uh, two two values of w. So again, by just using the algebra, this can be written by 5w minus 4 just equals to 0, and then 5w is equals to 4. So our w1 is 4 over 5. And then for the second value of w, so we just equate this w plus 1. W plus 1 is equals to 0. So our w number 2 is just equals to negative 1. So therefore, this will be our answer. We have two values. Okay, and then again, brief review. So for this part, we need to use the properties number one, and then for this portion we use properties number three, and then after that we're going to aim the to have the common base of 5. So we all know that log 5 uh, log base of 5, so 5 is just equals to 1. So cancel out log of 5, and then I have this one, 4 minus w over w squared is equals to 5, and then 4 minus w is equals to 5w squared. Use a quadratic equation, then factor out, and we can arrive the uh, two roots. W1 is 4 over 5, and W2 is equals to -1. Okay, let's proceed to problem number 2. And then first copy the problem. Log 4 of x is equals to log of 3, 9. Okay, and then first we're going to raise this 9 as just 3 squared. So they're the same, that 3 squared is just equals to 9. So therefore this can be written by log of 4x is equals to log of 3, and this will be 3 squared. They are the same. And then this could be written for this part. We have log 4x, 4 of x is equals to, this is just 2 log base of 3, 3. And then we need to aim that this base of 4 must be equal to this to the right side. So we all know that if we have log 3 base of 3, then 3, this is just equals to 1. And if we have log base of 4, 4, this is just equals to 1. So therefore I can write this as log of 4 x, this is equals to log 2 log of 4, and then I have 4. So it's very clear, because this log of 3, log base of 3, 3 is just equals to 1, and then if I have this log base of 4, 4 is equals to 1. So, and then rewrite the equation again. I have here log 4x is equals to log 4, and then this is 4 squared. So properties number 1, just get the base 2 to the exponent of 4, and then this is the next solution. I have log base of 4x, this is just equals to log base of 4, so 4 times 4 is 16. So again, they have common base of 4, so therefore cancellation takes place, cancel out. So therefore Rx is just equals to 16. So it's very busy. So therefore 16 is our answer. Let's proceed to problem number 3. So 2 close up open parenthesis 3 to the exponent of 1 half x plus 2 is equals to 23.43. So again, we need to divide both sides by 2. So this is our solution. So this is 3, and then 1 half x plus 2 is equals to 23.43, and then um, over 2. So divide both sides by 2. And then we have 3 1 half x plus 2 is just equals to 11.715. And then next is in our properties again, if we have log of m n, so this is just equals to n log of m. So therefore I can rewrite this as 1 half x plus 2, and then this will be log base of 10. 3 is just equals to log base of 10, 11.715, and then divide both sides by 1 over log 10 base of 3. So this is cancelled out. And then the right side we will have log of 10 and then 3. So therefore this will be our next solution. This is 1 half x plus 2 is just equals to log of 10, 11.715 divide by log of 10 and then 3. So therefore what will be the fraction? So this is 1 half x plus 2 is equals to what's the value of this? So we have 2.2399, and then this positive 2 transpose to the right side. So this will be 1 half x is equals to 2.2399 minus 2. So this is just 1 half x is equals to 0.2399, and then cross multiply. So rx will be just 2 times 0.2399, and then we have rx. So rx is just 0.4798. So this will be our answer. Okay, so let's proceed to problem number 4. For problem number 4, we have 4, I mean log, okay. For problem number 4, we have log base of 2, 4 raised to 2x is equals to log base of 3, 27 to the exponent of x minus 1. So this will be our solution. Okay, for problem number 4, we have this log base of 2 for raised to 2x is equals to log of 3, 27 raised to the x minus 1. So this will be our solution. And then first, we'll just copy the problem. And then we have for 2x is equals to log of 3 and then 27 x minus 1. And then we all know, again, for the first properties, if we have log of m raised to n, this is just equals to n log of m. So therefore, this can be rewrite by just 2x log of 2 for is equals to x minus 1 log of 3, and then we have 27. And then we're going to aim that, or we can factor out this 4 and then this 3, so they are perfect square, and then this one is perfect cube. So therefore this can be 2x log of 2, and then this is 2 squared, and then this will be x minus 1 log base of 3, and then 27 is just equals to 3 raised to 3. Okay, so again, review. 4 is just equals to 2 squared, and then 27 is just equals to 3 times 3 times 3, or 3 cube. Okay. And then after this one, we apply again the these properties. So therefore, this can be written by, we have 2x, I have here 2 log of 2 is equals to x minus 1, then times 3, I have here log 3, and then log base of 3, and then 3. And then we all know that if we have log of a to a is log base of e to a is just equals to 1, or if we have log 2 of 2 is just equals to 1. So therefore this is just equals to 1. And then the remaining equation will be this one. I have here 2x 2, and then x minus 1, and then 3. So simplify it's 1. I have here 4x is just equals to 3x minus 3, or 4x minus 3x is equals to negative 3, or this will be just x is equals to negative 3. So therefore x negative 3 will be our answer. So that's very easy. Okay, let's proceed to problem number 5. For problem number 5, we have 2 log of x over y minus 1 is equals to log 10 x squared y. So again, this is our solution. And then first, we'll just copy the problem. We have 2 log x over y minus 1 is equals to log uh, 10x squared y. And then first is we need to apply the uh, properties for this first variable. And then again, we all know that if we have log of m raised to n, this is just equals to n log of m. So therefore, this part, I can write this as log of x over y squared minus 1 is equal to log 10x squared y. And then this simplify this one, or this just simply distribute. So this will be log x squared over y squared. And then we all know that if we have log of 10 and then we have 10 is just equals to 1. So therefore this value negative 1, I can place it with this one, log 10 10, and then this will be log of 10x squared y. So therefore I I could put the base 10 to this first variable. So therefore all these three variable have its common base of 10. So therefore to this part, I can simply apply the properties number 3. So what is that properties? Again, if we have log of e m minus log of v n, log of e n is just equals to log of e m over n. So therefore this part could be written in this form: log of 10 base of 10, this is equals to x squared, and then over, I have here 10 y squared, this is just equals to log of 10 10x squared y. So therefore both variable have common base of 10, so therefore cancellation takes place. So therefore the remaining equation will be this one: x squared over 10 y squared is just equals to 10x squared y. So we have common x squared here, so this will be cancelled out, and then the remaining equation will be this one. I have here 1 over 10 y squared is equals to just y. Oops, I have here 10. I have it. And then can I cross multiply it again? So therefore I have 1 is equals to 10 times 10 is just 100 y cubed. or this will be y cube. So this is just 1 over 100, and then take the cube root uh, of it. So this will be y is just equals to cube root of 1 over 100. So therefore, this will be our final answer. Y is equals to cube root of uh, 1 over 100. So, so for now, we're done to solve those 5 problems. And then it's very simple as to do if we know already the uh, properties. Again, we just have a quick review for the properties. And then again, if we have this log this b m to the v is just equals to v log base of v to m, and then if we have log v m plus log base of v n is just equals to log of v m times n, and then if we have log of v m minus log of v n is just equals to log of v m over n. So this properties is very important for us to do, or you to solve many problems. So that's for this topic, the all about logarithms. So thank you for watching. I hope you already got it. So thank you.